The Sony TX650 is one of our favourite audio recorders for weddings. However, there are a few settings you need to change before using it for the first time. So, this unit has been reset to its factory default, so it's effectively like a completely new unit. We switch it on. And to operate the menus, you've got the home button here, which is also the back button sometimes. You've got left and right, and the middle button operates as enter. So, we'll press home. We're going to move across to settings, and the first thing we go to is recording settings, and you'll see recording folder is currently set to folder 1. If you want to, you have a choice of 5 different folders that you can use, so you could have a new folder for each wedding just to keep things organized. In scene select, it's set to shirt pocket. We like to set that to off, as we've found that gives us the best results. Recording mode is currently on MP3, which is a compressed format. If you go up one, you get to LPCM. That is uncompressed, and it gives you a much better quality if you need to do any editing later on. Nothing else to change here in recording settings, so we press back and find common settings. The first thing we want to do here is switch the beep off, as it's really annoying and it's something that we definitely don't want when we're at a wedding. Date and time, make sure that is correct because all of the file names are based on date and time. So if you store several weddings on the device, it's going to be really tricky to find things if the date and time is incorrect. The auto power off, we switch that to 5 minutes. Format, obviously that's where you need to go once the device is getting full and you need some more space. Just make sure you've downloaded all of your files first. And available record time, this is really useful. We come to this menu option before every wedding just to see how much space is available. If you're getting really low, it's definitely time to get your files downloaded and format the device. So, just one more thing to show. If I go to the record screen, when you give this to somebody and you press record, always move this slider to hold. What that means is they can't accidentally press a button and stop the recording. If I try and press a button on top, this message comes on. And when they give it back to you, move it to the central position and then you can stop the recording. So that's it. I hope you found the video useful. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments section and be sure to subscribe as we've got loads of great content coming soon. See you next time.